Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious tostadas de tinga. It's a staple in my home, my family loves it, my kids, it's one of their favorites, super delicious. If you wanna see how I make it, keep watching. Cheers! Before we cook the chicken, I'm gonna blend 4 garlic cloves and 1 cup of water. And we're gonna add this mixture when we cook the chicken. I've set my pot on medium heat and I'm gonna add the chicken. I'm using 3 pounds and it's a mixture of breast and thighs with skin. We add water until the chicken is completely covered. Next, we add half of a small white onion, salt and pepper to taste, and the mixture that we just blended. This is something I learned from my mom so that the chicken flavor is not too strong. But if you don't mind it, just skip this step. Cover it up and cook for about an hour. After about 10 minutes, open it up and check for any impurities and remove them. We cover it back up and continue cooking. While we wait for the chicken to cook, I'm gonna start chopping the lettuce, wash it, and set it to the side. Now I'm gonna crumble our cheese. I'm using queso fresco, but you can also use queso cotija. It's been an hour, our chicken is ready. I'm gonna remove it and wait for it to cool off before we shred. We add 1 tomato to the chicken broth and let it cook for 5 minutes. This is the tomato we're gonna use for the salsa. It's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna transfer the tomato into the blender cup and I'm gonna reserve 2.5 cups of the chicken broth. We add it to the blender along with 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and last we add chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. I'm using 3.7 ounces because I don't want it too spicy. If you want it more spicy, you can add more. We set it to the side and we can start shredding our chicken. I'm gonna start shredding the chicken just like this, or you can always just use a fork. I'm also gonna be keeping some of the skin because my son loves the skin. If you don't like the skin, just remove it. To cook the tinga, I've set my pan on medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Oil is hot and I'm gonna fry 1 small onion. Fry it for about a minute. Now we add the chicken and fry for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes and as you can see, our chicken is a little golden. Now we can add the salsa. Give it a mix and this is the perfect time to check if you need more chicken bouillon or salt. For me, it's just perfect. We reduce the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Our tinga is now ready. We can start preparing our tostadas. To prepare, I'm gonna add some crema Mexicana, or you can also use mayo instead. We add some tinga, and you can add as much as you like. Some lettuce, queso fresco, and last, we add a little bit more crema on top. All right, guys, moment of truth. Cheers. Honestly, you can never go wrong with tinga. It's super delicious. It's not as spicy because my kids love to eat it, but they don't eat as much spicy as I do. But you can always just add a little bit of tapatio or Valentina on top and it's super delicious. A little messy, but it's worth it. If you guys have never tried tinga, this is your chance to make it. This is your sign to make it. And there you have it, delicious tostadas de tinga. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!